What's up, guys? Little update on the 2011 Toyota Camry. I'm at about 372,000 miles now. You can see what I got going on here. Oil all around the valve cover. I don't know, clearly see this in the back. So the valve cover is definitely leaking. Found like a little nest in here too. Anyway, I already have the new valve cover, valve cover gasket. So we are going to be throwing a new valve cover gasket on, and while we're in here, I'm gonna put 4 new spark plugs in. The brake fluid reservoir is right here. You can see the lines are really wet, so that's seeping too, but not too worried about that. But yeah, 375,000. We're gonna replace the valve cover gasket, put in 4 new spark plugs, and keep driving it. But anyway, just wanted to give you a little update.